Hello, so today I will show you how to make iron tools. What we need is some stone tools first, or at least a stone pickaxe. And then we go underground and we have to dig some iron. This is how iron look. This is gold, diamond, redstone. But this is how iron look. I will mine this for you, and when I'm done, I show you how to make the tools. So now we have some iron here. Then we go to a furnace, and you know how to make a furnace, I think. If you don't know, you get a crafting table. You do a crafting table by having 4 planks like this. You put the crafting table out, right-clicking, and then we take 8 cobblestone or cobble deep slate for a furnace like this. Then you need coal. Coal you also find in the cave. And then we just put the iron in here and we wait. So now we have 18 ingots here. I will show you how to make the tools. First off, I make some sticks with mixed sticks by taking 2 planks like this. And I will make an iron sword. 1 stick here, 2 above like this. It doesn't matter where you do this. Left side, middle, or here. But it should look like this at least. Then we make a pickaxe. 2 sticks and 1, 2, 3 above. Make an axe. 1, 2, 3. It doesn't matter which side you does this on. Then we make a shovel. 2 sticks, 1 above. A hoe, 2 sticks. 1 here, 1 here. It can be on the other side too, if you want. And then we do a spear. You can always go inside here if you want to craft faster. So this is all the tools. When you have the iron pickaxe, you can now mine gold and diamond. If I dig diamonds with this pickaxe, with the stone pickaxe, you'll see I get nothing. But if I have the iron pickaxe, I get diamonds. So the iron pickaxe is necessary pretty early in the game for you if you want to have the diamond armor kind of quick. So now I have 4 diamonds. Can make myself a nice pair of boots like this. So this is how you make iron swords or iron tools. If you have any problems or any questions, please leave them down in the comments and I happily will answer them. Until next time, bye.